Good evening, my little ones. Let me welcome you all to yet another episode of Vijnana Vidhi conducted by Goodness TV. Are you all keeping happy? Yes. And have you performed the activity which I have given you in the last class? Yes, you're all very good children. Now, what was we dealing with these days? Or what is the name of the lesson? Yes, we were just dealing with a short story written by Ruskin Bond. Just tell me the title of the story. Adventures in a Banyan Tree. And we have seen about a boy, his hobbies, isn't it? We have seen a fight between the mongoose and a cobra, and you will know who got win in this fight. And now let's continue the rest of the lesson. Are you ready? Okay, just see the image which I have given you. Did you notice the image? What all things can you see in this image? You can just see a grandfather and a boy smiling, isn't it? Why are they so happy? Are you eager to know that? Let us see. But before that, join with me. Let's together read the passage. When I had also made a cautious descent from the tree and returned to the house, I told grandfather of the fight I had seen. He was pleased that the mongoose had won. He had encouraged it to live in the garden, to keep away the snakes, and fed it regularly with scraps from the kitchen. He had never tried taming it because wild mongoose was more useful than a domesticated one. Okay, my dear children, is the passage clear? Now tell me about the picture. Who is that boy? Who is that grandfather? Yes, it is our boy or the boy in our story, and it is his grandfather. Then, my dear children, what happened, or why are they just smiling, or why are they so happy? The reason is the boy was just watching the fight between the cobra and the mongoose. We have already seen that in our last class. Then he just saw who won the battle. Who won the battle? It was the mongoose. So, after this fight, the boy just came down from the tree and he just went to the house. He just narrated the whole story to his grandfather. When grandfather heard this, he was extremely happy. What was the reason? Because grandfather heard that it was mongoose who won the battle, and grandfather thought that if this mongoose has been allowed to grow in this garden, it will kill every cobras in that garden. And thus grandfather allowed this mongoose to grow in this garden, and the boy just provided food from their kitchen to this mongoose. But this grandfather never ever allowed the boy to tame this mongoose. What is meaning of tame? To patter or to make friendship. Grandfather never allowed to patter or to make friendship with the mongoose. But grandfather believed that a domesticated mongoose is not at all better than an undomesticated mongoose, or he just believed that a tamed mongoose will not catch and kill cobras as that of an undomesticated mongoose. So, is it clear for you what was the happiness or smile between this grandfather and the son? Yes, right. So, what is our next part? Of course, it is the comprehension section. Now, take your notebooks and the pen fast and note down the question. And the question for you is, what prevented grandfather from taming the mongoose? What prevented grandfather from taming the mongoose? What is the answer? Just note down the answer. It is very simple. Let me tell the answer. The answer is grandfather knew well that a wild mongoose was more useful to keep away the snakes than a domesticated one. Is the answer correct? Yes. These mongoose just enjoyed the life in that garden. He just had immense of fun there. Are you eager to know what are the fun performed by this mongoose in that garden? Yes, just come along with me. Let's together read it. From the banyan tree, I often saw the mongoose patrolling the four corners of the garden. And once I saw him with an egg in his mouth and knew he had been in the poultry house. But he hadn't harmed the birds. And I knew grandmother would forgive him for stealing as long as he kept the snakes away from the house. Okay, my dear ones, is it clear for you what are the fun performed by this mongoose in that garden? Yes, somewhat, isn't it? That is, one day the boy just watched this mongoose walking here and there in the garden. But there was an egg in the mouth of this mongoose. The boy understood that this mongoose had went to the poultry house and stolen the eggs. What is a poultry house? Yes, that is a cage where you grew hens. Of course, there will be poultry houses in your houses and what, isn't it? Yes, and this boy understood that this mongoose had stolen eggs from the poultry house of grandmother. And the boy believed that grandmother would throw away this mongoose from the garden. Why? Because it started stealing the eggs. But what happened here is grandmother just forgave the mongoose because grandmother believed that it is this mongoose who saved them from the arrival of cobras. Is it clear? Yes. Okay, now it's time for the comprehension section. And the question for you is, just note down, why would grandmother forgive the mongoose for stealing the eggs? Repeating, why would grandmother forgive the mongoose for stealing the eggs? The answer is very simple, isn't it? What is the answer? The answer is, grandmother knew well that mongoose kept away the snakes from the house and thus she ignored the theft of the mongoose. The answer was correct, isn't it? Okay, that's it. Now, we have seen the fun performed or enjoyed by this mongoose in the garden. Now, we have seen the fun and the enjoyment which the mongoose had in that garden. And are you eager to know the rest of the story? Off to the video. Now, just tell me, what have you seen in this video? Yes, you have seen white rats, isn't it? How cute they are. They were looking so chubby, isn't it? But why did I show you such a video? Do you have any idea? Let's see the passage. Just read along with me. The banyan tree was also the setting for what we were to call the strange case of the grey squirrel and the white rat. The white rat was grandfather's. He had bought it from the bazaar for 4 annas. But I would often take it with me into the roots and branches of the old tree. Banyan tree, where it soon struck up a friendship with one of the squirrels. They would go off together on little excursions among the branches. We have already seen about the banyan tree, don't we? Yes, we have heard its story also. But this banyan tree had another story also. Are you willing or are you ready to know the story or the previous story of this banyan tree? Yes, right? Okay. Long years back, our grandfather, he just went to the bazaar and he just bought a white rat for 4 annas. How many annas? For 4 annas. Then what happened, you know? Grandfather just bought this white rat to their home. Everybody in the home just loved this white rat. And this white rat was given permission to go everywhere and to enjoy everything in their house. It was also given freedom to get onto the top of the banyan tree, and thus this white rat enjoyed having fun in the banyan tree. Then one day, this white rat, it was just sitting in the banyan tree. At that time, it got a friend. Do you know who is that friend? It's a grey colored squirrel. Have you seen it? Yes. So, this white colored rat and grey colored squirrel just enjoyed fun over this banyan tree. Even they just had excursions or tours across this banyan tree up and down. And let's see how did they spend time. Before that, let us comprehend the passage. Okay, are you ready for that? Take your notebooks, pen and just write down the question. And the question for you is, who was the new friend of the squirrel? How did they enjoy their friendship? Who was the new friend of the squirrel? You know the answer. And how did they enjoy their friendship? The answer is, a white rat that grandfather had brought from the bazaar was the new friend of squirrel. They enjoyed their friendship by going together on little excursions among the branches. Now, we have seen about the fun enjoyed by this white rat and grey colored squirrel, isn't it? Now, let's see what is happening further. Are you ready for that? Then just come along with me. Let's together read the passage. Then the squirrel started building a nest. At first, she tried building it in my pockets. And when I went indoors and changed my clothes, I'd find straw and grass falling out. Then, one day, grandmother's knitting was missing. We hunted for it everywhere, but without success. Next day, I saw something glinting in the hole in the banyan tree. Going up to investigate, I saw that it was the end of grandmother's steel knitting needle. On looking further, I discovered that the hole was crammed with knitting, and amongst the wool were 3 baby squirrels, all of them white. So, how did this squirrel and this rat enjoy their fun? One day, this squirrel was just trying to make a nest, and it was in search of making the nest. It needed a place for making the nest. At first, the squirrel just went to the house of this grandfather and the boy to build the nest. After that, it went to the pocket of the boy. But all of them got failed. Then one day, this boy's grandmother, she was just going to sew a dress, and she was in search of her knitting needle, and you can see the image of knitting needle, and she just searched for the knitting needle everywhere, but it was missing. So, the members of the family, everybody together started finding the same or searching for the same, but it was just missing. So, they just stopped the attempt. Then what happened, you know? One day, when this boy, when he was sitting in the banyan tree, he just saw something shining there. What was that? Yes, it was the knitting needle. But how come it be there? Yes, it was taken by the squirrel in order to build the nest. And when the boy just peeped into it, he could see 3 white squirrels over there. 3 white squirrels. But how come these squirrel babies came there? It was so babies. How come they came there? Let us see. Yes, here you just saw white squirrel. Haven't you seen this before? Yes, there's a white squirrel and a grey colored squirrel. But from where did those 3 baby white squirrels came? Let us see. Let's move into the passage. Grandfather had never seen white squirrels before, and we gazed at them in wonder. We were puzzled for some time, but when I mentioned the white rat's frequent visits to the tree, Grandfather told me that the rat must be the father. Rats and squirrels were related to each other, he said, and so it was quite possible for them to have offspring, in this case white squirrels. So from where did these white baby squirrels came? As of us, this grandfather and boy, they were also thrilled, or they were also having wonder to know the answer. The boy just asked the grandfather, from where did these baby squirrels came? As an answer, the grandfather said the boy that it might be the children of this white rat and grey squirrel. And these 3 baby squirrels was the children of the white rat and grey squirrel. So, is the passage clear for you? And here is the comprehension question. What was the wonder that the nature had kept for them in the nest? What was the wonder that the nature had kept for them in the nest? The answer is very simple. What is the answer? The wonder that the nature had kept for them is 3 white baby squirrels for the grey squirrel. So, is the passage clear? Now, the last activity for you is a diary entry. The boy couldn't stop wondering about the white squirrels. The boy wrote a diary on the day he saw this. Write the diary entry of the boy of that particular day. And what is the activity? Just imagine that you are the boy and you just saw that 3 white squirrels and you just got wondered. And on that particular night, you are just scribbling your diary. So, just write down the diary entry today itself and just pass it to your English teacher. And that's it. I am done with the lesson. Hope this lesson is clear for all of you, isn't it? Yes. So, do make the necessary revisions every day and make the clarifications. In this lesson, we have seen a boy who loved nature, who loved the animals in the nature. In the same way, try to love nature. Just keep away from everything which exploits nature. Let everything around you touches your life. Let this week be something great for you and always be safe and happy. May God bless you. And this class is available in the YouTube channel of Goodness TV. Thank you and have a great night.